जुवारी पुलाच्या कामा खातीर आपली घरां वतली अशी भिरांत केळशी आणि कुठ्ठाळेच्या लोकांनी उक्तायल्या। लोकांक पुलाच्या आराखड्या विशीं कसलीच म्हायती ना। हे विशीं आरडीए मंत्री एलिना साल्ढाना हांणी आराखड्या प्रमाण कोणाचीच घरां वचना म्हूण लोकांच्या मनांतलो दुबाव काडला। मात रस्त्यार अतिक्रमण केल्ल्यो 2 शेडी वतात म्हूण मंत्री एलिनान मान्य केला। आरडीएक्स गोवातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
आमकां 2 दीस जाले जुयेना आयना हें जाता आमी हिंग वयतलीं। आतां आमकां हिंगासर पोट भरपा जाय आमचो धंदो आहा आनी दुसरे कडेन कांय जावपाचें ना। आमी आतां जाणटी हेच जालीं मागीर आनी कितें करपाचें बाबा तें आतां देव जाणा।
आतां घराक गेले
घराक लागूनूच आमी आतां पळय भोंवता। होय कांयच आमी हें ना बाबा घराक लागून कितें करतलीं कांय सजमना हें जाता।
कांयच दाखोवंक ना आनी आतां कितें सांगता ते आयकता ती तोंड ते सांगता ती आयकतात ते फाल्यां प्रूव करपाक कांय ना प्रूफ कांयच ना।
कितें लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतलेलो फादर लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतले म्हणजे लोकांक प्लॅन जो
सगळें दाखयलें लोकांक बरी कॉन्फिडन्स तांकां गोमतले हाडलें ती सामकी इग्नोरंट पीपल न्हय ती तांकां कसली आसा म्हणजे प्लॅन सगळें दाखयलें जाल्यार सुरू केली आमी ती हांवें लेगून आजून प्लॅन सगळो पळोवंक ना।
I have realized, one, that no houses are going to be touched except for one, what you call shade, which is totally jutting into the land which is already acquired by the government many years ago. So only that shade, and there is another house also whose shade comes in the same line. Those shades will be demolished, but the houses will not be touched. Okay. At the same time, the people have come to know that when the work on the bridge begins, there will be kind of slip roads provided, but those slip roads will be temporary to have the regular traffic diverted. But that will be only for a period of 3 months. After that, the traffic as normally will go on to the road below. But the best thing is that there will be decongestion of the traffic, because part of the traffic, or maybe I don't know how much, but quite a bit of the traffic will be on the bridge. So the traffic on the road will be less. That is actually good for the people who are living on both sides of the road. It will enable them to cross the road with greater ease, and also once the work of the bridge is completed, the temporary slip roads will come to a halt and this space will be vacant, and they will be allowed to not construct anything but allowed to use that space as they're doing now. I think the panchayats were asked to take the plan and study the plan of their respective villages, and I think it was the duty of the panchayat, if they have done what they were asked to do, to inform the villagers. But this has not happened. However, when the inauguration took place at Goavelya, in my constituency, I sent notices to all the churches, chapels, temples to tell the people to come for the inauguration, more to learn about the alignment. Okay? And I am with the people. I'll take care of their needs.